Hi everyone, welcome back to Westside Creations, where we bring bold ideas to life. Today we are diving into a fun DIY project, making your very own Ankara laptop purse. So the measurements we are going to need for this purse is 14 by 22. So I have my lining, I have my foam and the zip cloth. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it. So I want to create a pattern for this Ankara purse. I will sew 1 inch from the top of the material to the end of the material. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for your show of love, for always returning to watch my video, for supporting my channel. Thank you. And to you who subscribe later, thank you. And to my new subscribers, thank you. I am very grateful. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment also. Thank you. So I continue creating my pattern. So this is how it will look like, 1 inch from top to the end of the material. So now I'll attach my zip cloth to it. I'll sew it and top stitch on it. Follow the video closely, it's very easy to make. You keep sewing, you continue sewing. Now you attach your lining. After attaching your lining, you top stitch on it and you do the same thing for the other side. Just like I'm doing now, you top stitch it. Do the same thing for the other side. So after sewing, open it up, top stitch on the other side. So you attach your zip head, then you close it up. Thanks so much for watching, Creative Family. I hope you enjoy making this stylish Ankara laptop purse with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Westside Creation for more DIY fashion and crafty tutorial. Until next time, stay creative. Bye.